Hi, I'm Ella and I work within the digital team here at Finally, and I want to talk to you all about SEO. So SEO is something that marketing agencies typically recommend as part of your ongoing marketing retainer, and they generally may also recommend it during and after a website launch. But what is SEO? So SEO stands for search engine optimization, which, to be honest, doesn't really explain much either. So, in essence, it is the process of carrying out different activities on your website and off your website that improves the visibility for relevant search queries within search engines such as Google. So, I appreciate that also sounds confusing. So, to give you an example, if you are a plumber based in Canterbury, you want to make sure that if a homeowner that lives in Canterbury types into Google plumbers near me, that you are in those results and that you have visibility. So the purpose of SEO is really to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to your website from search engine results.